Hey, Robert Keeper here with H2O Pro, and I'm down in a crawl space here in Dagsboro, and this thing is completely flooded out. Lots of fruiting bodies from mold rot, and I just want you guys to really check this one out. What we got to deal with on a daily basis. Hopefully your crawl space doesn't look like this. And here we are. Check out the amount of water that's in here. I'm not sure if you guys actually see this. We got about a good foot of water all the way through here. So we've been called out. Go ahead and get this monstrosity fixed. As you can see, it really is something else. So luckily they got the pros, the H2O Pro call, and we'll get this water extracted. We'll get footer drain tile put in here, some sub pumps, get those taking the water away from the foundation, and we'll get this thing encapsulated, mold remediated. The HVAC system, we'll have to get that fixed, and this place will be clean, dry, healthy, and no more worries about any issues like this. But again, that's some serious water. Thanks so much, and if you're watching this on Facebook, give us a like and hit the share button. And if you like us to give you a free crawl space consultation, give us a call, 302-321-7077. Thanks, and have a marvelous day.